I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Is your pum pum turned down? Has every man that you've gone out with given you bun? Is your pum pum long like White Plains Road in the Bronx? Well, I have the product for you. I introduce to you Tight Pum Pum. Tight Pum Pum offers some great benefits like quick comings.
Put it in.
Oh shit!
Unplanned parenthood.
It's your baby.
If the baby then a born plan, me nah mind it. Me nah mind it around.
Marriage proposals.
I bought Tight Pum Pum and he proposed to me.
Yes, Barbie, please, Barbie. We can't wait no more, Barbie.
Yes.
I love you. Barbie, what she say yes. She said,
Yeah, they be love.
shit.
We are get it. Do you say do?
And even in some rare cases, causes guys to sleep in it. So make sure you ask your doctor if Tight Pum Pum is right for you.
I bought Tight Pum Pum and he bought me a car! Yes!
But wait, Tight Pum Pum can be yours for the very low price of $0.00.
What?
Yes, you heard me correctly. $0.00. Call the number below and get Tight Pum Pum now.
Yay!
We stop top ball head, new name for the thing it name fierce. And even if she ugly, me would deal with the case. You must be a fool if you make a face waste. Mr. Girl, stop talk, put your face pa my waist.
Come on.
Face, now let me get the face.